Okay, for this recovery, we're going to use a Kinetic rope setup as a Snatch style recovery. So on this vehicle over here, we have got an equalising strap with 2 soft shackles, and then we're going to set up a similar setup on this side, where instead of using soft shackles, we're going to use steel rated shackles because I can't fit the soft shackles on my vehicle. So what you want to do is set your equaliser strap through the soft shackle in a V style. You want to use your recovery blanket. If you only have one, you put it in the dead center of the Kinetic rope or recovery strap, but we're using 2, so we'll put 1 on each end, about 1 meter or so from the joint. So the idea of the recovery blanket, right, is if something goes wrong and breaks, the blanket's going to drop to the ground and everything will fall to the ground safely. We've got our Kinetic rope set up in an S pattern, and now we're ready to go. So if you don't have a recovery blanket, you could use your camp mat, a jumper, a towel, anything. They'll all do the job. But make sure you have at least 1 dampener on your recovery. Okay, so we've set up for our Snatch recovery. We've made sure that we have no twists in our equaliser straps. Now, as we do the recovery, we're going to start off slow, right, and see if that gets us out. We're going to take it easy, and if it doesn't get us out the first time, we're going to give it another go, a little bit harder. If that doesn't work, we'll try a 3rd time. After the 3rd time, we're going to give up and we'll find out some other way of recovery. When you're doing a Kinetic rope or Snatch recovery, safety is paramount. So what you need to ensure is that all bystanders are well away, and by well away, you want to be a minimum of 1.5 times the length of the Snatch rope or Kinetic rope. Also, with the other driver, you want to keep in communication. So always have 2-way radio handy and make sure they're on the same channel. After a fun day 4-wheel driving, we've obviously used a lot of our equipment and it's now covered in sand. If we were out in the bush, it would be covered in mud or dirt. I'm going to take this home, soak this one in a bucket of water with my equaliser straps, and I'm just going to wash everything else down, get all the sand off and make sure it's clean and ready to use next time.